Go. From your body, and them can't stop you as long as you have lyrics and determination. No people like in the initial stages, like, oh, him tattoo me, I eat that man, we not give him no listen. You saw me I say, but over time, them get to realize, say, I am not an ophthalmologist by profession, neither am I an optician, but I'm a true entertainer. You saw me I say, and the tune them start leading them ears drum.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
And I don't know anything set in a man, you know, say I want Media Fox, you see it. Yo, big up the people, man, big up the supporters, you don't know. A Media Fox. You know, no forward out here. A Fox to come for talk about. You understand? So people, Alkaline no emotions, you don't know. You take the #1 spot. In Jamaica YouTube, you understand? Trending. I'ma tell them already. If Alkaline want to run dancehall, him can do it. Easily. But you have to understand, as enough people say, yo, consistent. But not understand, say, bro, you can take one song. You understand? That one song to really dominate the world. You understand? Because this is the thing. For example, you have an artist like Alkaline, I drop songs like Hot Bread. But is he the talk about when it comes to hit songs right now? No. But he might drop the most songs. He might release the most songs. But no, it's not there. So it's not about dropping a bag of song means say, yo, this and that. It's all about hits. We're talking about songs where I go out there in the world. Dominate on charts. And remember, you know, Alkaline top #1 with the same song on US reggae chart. You understand? Global iTunes. Right? So we see say, yo, it a reach some places. Seeing, but you have artists out there where they drop songs like nothing but it nah hit no chart. It just a release up on YouTube and then, you know, month end come and then who forget get pay. That's it. Video look good, you know. Song there, yeah. If them have them little niche fans, them fans are gonna listen to it, but no mean say, yo, it a go hit that global chart there, you know. So it shows say right now, how me realize you see you can know when Alkaline damage the place with music, you know. It's like, you know, to hear nobody else, them attack about nobody else music like that. Seeing? So it shows say, yo, no emotions, Alkaline, I do it. You understand? Cause it top the chart in Jamaica #1. You understand? So music and music, you know, people. Remember say you can't have one music, one song. Back in them days, you know, people. Right? Back in the days in the 90s and all of them something. We never have no name consistency, you know. When a man drop a song and it go big worldwide, that song they carry him right through, you know. Enough of them elderly artists there back then, right? You can count on 2 hands the amount of song where them have. You understand? And some music work, you release 200 songs for say you release 100 songs for the year, right? Majority of that I just get some YouTube views. You evidently have the highest set of streams. Like I think them say Chronic Law have the highest streams in Jamaica because why? Chronic Law release hundreds of songs. Him always all for the day him release all 2 to 3 songs. But is there any hit so tight where I go globally where we can say you hit a Japan some chart or something? No, but him just a drop music. You understand? But it's more stuff. Like you want your music go certain level. You understand? Because for a man I drop so much songs, but him not in no nominees, him not in no. You understand? The talk about the song them not really that impactful, but you don't know him have him look at niche fans and thing. Seeing? But say that to say, Alkaline just a drop in music. When we rated Alkaline, when him drop a song, he make the song marinate. in the people and brain. Make them sing about it, make them you notice when Alkaline Japan music, everybody have something to say. Everybody a listen to the song, we get this. Yo, Alkaline I want to artist them. When we see when them listen him song, them listen him song keenly for hear what him saying it. Me I tell you, them listen him song keenly when him hearing it. You see that are with Alkaline music. None of them I say, yo, Alkaline nah drop no song in a railway, him nah do this and nah do that. But when you check it, the youth have him large fan base. You understand? And not every song you go drop a hit. That's just a normal life. Cause you can't take one song for seal your career, you know. One song. Me know my youth, the way name Omi, they do get cheerleader. How one big song you man have? And right now that song they're big. I would even see get Spotify must be billions. Just one song do billion. You understand? It has streamed more than the man where I drop 100 song for the year. For sure you people. You understand? On Spotify. So it can take one music for just sell off your career. Just make you go big. Like if it go big out there globally, it people want to hear from you. You understand? So right now, no emotions, bad song. You understand? Bad song. Is it? Tough song that me I tell you people. Tough song. Is it? And Alka do him thing. Alka depend him pace. I don't know new album loading. Same speed. Yeah, the youth are do him thing. Alka not really rush thing. Everything takes time. Him tell you him song them. You understand? Him tell you him song them. So I just for those because remember you know it's not by just doing music alone. There's a lot of things where you have to prepare. Like you see me call look here. Album a forward and drop that song there now. See, I remember you know, everybody look out for Alkaline album, you know. So you see that song you know, him drop it, that mash up the place. See everybody I say, yo, this, that. You will have few people who say yo Ray. But you don't know and everybody are gonna rate your song. That's how it go. But once people hear good music, the man say, yo, a good music this. You see me? So you know, I see Alkaline I drop this. One bag of song, like every month or so. No. If you're a smart musician, you will know how to deal with music. You understand? Sometimes you can put out music and the same music will kill the next music where you release. You see? So you have to give music time. You have to make it, make people understand it. Cause look you know, how music working, you can't listen to music one time and say, yo, I hate that. You have to listen it more than one. It's like when you're driving in your vehicle and you play about the same song every day, every morning when you go to work, you play the same song. I saw you understand music. I saw you catch the lyrics. I saw you understand what the artists are saying. You understand? So you now say, all right, you drop that song, right? And give the people them like a month or 2 months for kind of, Ray. Then you go drop one next song. Then I go on to the next song there. You see it? So some music thing work. Cause you have people, artists who just are release music, but them not gone away. You understand? It not really gone away. And I say go music change over the years. You see me? So it'll take a while for people really, gravitate to that sound or that new sound. That does everything takes time. You understand? But Alkaline No Emotions, it's tough. Like the title, No Emotions, trust me. And it even represent him as an artist, No Emotions. You don't know a lot of people call up Alkaline name in the media, this him, this, that, race, bad things. And rather than coming from the media and ball to people, yo, you know, no rate me, this and that. Alkaline just say, yo, No Emotions. You see, me not meds, You see me, whatever I say can't hurt me. So we just there and when I left the game, do what we have to do. You see it. But I saw the thing said, sometimes people are real. If you realize now, music, a lot of people just don't really listen to music. So they not listen for understand. You understand? I just that. They not listen to music for just understand. Them only listen for whatever I go on or whatever I go on like in the trending meds right now. Because Alkaline tried a lot of different sounds and but this one, trust me, last one him drop our key man go on with that thing. Remember in our last year owner after summer so Alkaline drop key man and then January now him drop no emotions. Each time him drop a song like you go on with that thing. You have to make people that are the thing you not understand say that yo this music thing you see when you drop a bagga song sometimes people get tired of you like although are you but the sound you have to make people alright it's like this. It's the same like where you can get demands in a show when people see a bass show every night they are different show them will get tired of you. Them don't want to see you. You understand? But it's same goes see in the music. If people say release, release 3 songs this week, 4 songs next week, 5 songs next week. It's like people not gonna really, people say, oh, them not gonna really measure, because them just see songs just pop, but you not give them time for them listen to music and understand it. You understand? So look now, when you drop song now, people talk about it. Yo, Ray, you make the song soak you make them understand it. See? You have to make them want, make them grieve for the next track where you go drop. I saw you have to do it. Make the demand more higher for your music. You see me? Make them say, yo, artist, drop that song, drop the song yet. See, so when you drop the next song, it does mash up a place. Because people say a long time you not drop song. You see? Because artists out there drop a bag of song. But nobody not really talk about it like that. Because the song, in my drop song says like none of the song them now, to be heard like for people for understand it. And make your drop song for kill song. But when you drop that song and then you wait till the next 2 months or 3 months for your next song, you give the people them time for listening to music, understand it, use it, share it, all of them little thing there. You understand? And then now, when the next drop, same treatment. That's how you have to do it. You see me? Music, always a flow. But you don't have to rush it. You understand? It always a flow. It's like music are like a river. It's just river stream. It always a run. So you don't have to rush it. You see it? You don't have to rush it. You see me? So it's like this. You're in the sea. You don't have to kill up yourself and swim. You just there and go and easy the water flow until you reach shore. Cause you go swim and tired out yourself and get muscle contract and all of them little thing there. The same flow will carry come ashore, you don't do nothing and just carry cause so the water. So music flow like river stream. You don't rush it. It take it to that place there. You understand? So I just saw the music stay people. And you don't know the man himself. He might always get that attention there when him dropping music then because him just know how to make people listen to his music and get for understand it and get the time for share it and people review it and all of them look at something. Like look what they when him drop emotions. Everybody talk about it. They must say, yo, him this a man, this a man, this a man night. That's how you do it. Although the look at war I go on, you notice Alka does easy and I go and wait till everything done and everything and him have him album a forward out and him just chop a song. Everybody have something to say about his song. Yo, what this him this and pray and tea and mash up a place. Yeah, I saw you have to do it music. Sometimes you can't to rush the thing. I saw you going have to rush it. You see it. Kawa, look pan Shaggy them. And I like say them man they have 100 bag of hits. Man they have some classic hits. Like Shaggy. Shaggy have Was Me. In biggest song. You understand? Sean Paul have Temperature and them look a song there. Yeah, a song where you understand? I know bunch of hundreds of hit song and them look a thing there. But what? When them song they are play, globally them song they are play same way. You understand? So you don't have to rush the music more while. Sometimes you have to make the demand the same way. You can't as an artist, you can't make people get tired of you too, Yeah man. You can't make people get tired of you. Sometimes you just a drop songs and people say, yo, this sound the same. And sometimes you have to just give people just time for understand the music. You understand? I just that. Make them go and run with the song and put it on them ringing tone and everything. You see it? And I just music that, you see me? So not because you drop 100 song for the year mean say yo it'll get you to that place. Cause you could have drop that song and it just peak right on just YouTube, just this off YouTube. But you know the hit no chart, you know hit no glow. You just step on YouTube and you just know say alright, if you're a fan of the artist, you just go listen to it and bam. You understand? But outside of that, nothing is there. So I just music people. Music is like river stream. Just let it flow. You know? Just let it flow. So people, I don't know, you know. One media facts, you know, I don't know anything said people. Bless up on yourself, you know. Yeah man. That is it.